Alright, my bad for getting in this trade late. But as you can see, we're in some good profit right now. I'm not going that low. I'm going to here. Yeah, so what I saw, right? So this is Asia's low right here. And then we have Asia high. So we manipulated above it. Cool. Right, higher highs. We right here we missed, did not create a higher high. This was a lower high. And then we continued here. So I kind of drew this out. Right, see we're failing to break above this range. And then we even broke this kind of swing right here. Finally, once we broke this swing, right, I was like, okay, shoot, we're gonna dump to at least here. Once we fully close through here and start displacing, right, all these 5-minute candles, none of them closed blue. So I was like, all right, cool. We're probably gonna continue down. Probably gonna continue to all of these lows, right, and then ideally here. Kind of a whack entry, but there wasn't really any clear pullback. And then it'll be at this fair value gap. So pretty tight stop. But yeah, I just kind of wanted above all these highs. Cool. So yeah, I mean, this is the setup. And then obviously, if we're talking about higher time frame, right, we have this massive dump here. We did fill this 4-hour fair value gap. This was Thursday, I believe. No, Friday the 13th. Yeah, Friday. Right, we filled this in the morning. What you see in the Discord, I initially went short, and then I caught most of this reversal back up. But, I mean, I do personally think we're going to try and take out these lows. If not, create a new low. Right, because we do have all this. So this is like the major point that I think on the weekly time frame, but then even hourly, right? Came high. Couldn't close above this, especially on ES, creating an SMT, which you can see here, right? Cool. So we couldn't create a higher high, created a bearish SMT, and then right, you got this. Again, failed swing. So that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. But yeah, we'll see how it plays. Now that we're about halfway, so let's start. I can bring it to break even. I'm gonna take partials.
Order filled.
I just took some partials. So now we only got 3 contracts. I'm risking nothing right now because we're break even, but plus we took some profit. 1,500, so that's good. If we hit this, that's 6,000, so 4,500 plus the 1,500 I just took. If I would have kept the whole thing, cool. It would have been like, what, 8,000? But we're going to be smart, guys. We're going to start being smart with how we're doing the trailing stop and the break even, as well as start to take some profits while we can. But we'll see how it goes. Holy shit! I'm sorry, I was distracted, y'all. Okay, cool. Cool. I'm only trading on one account, by the way. The other ones I got my payout, and then I blew the hell out of them. And I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I'm being transparent. I've been blowing a lot of accounts and spending a little too much money on them. But hopefully this means we're back. Hopefully this means we are back. Look at these dons, bro. I already told y'all shorts, bro. If you look at the Discord, bro, I said sell America, bro. Just sell America, man. Shit. Don't trade on a banking holiday. Don't trade on a banking holiday. Shut the hell up, y'all. Y'all just shouldn't even trade on any day. How about that? How about that, man? Please. I'm about to go to the gym right now, and then I'm about to just sleep. I'm gonna just sleep all day, man. But by God, bro, I gotta stop sleeping with the window open when it's like 30, 40 degrees outside and raining, bro. It's been like 30, 40 degrees outside overnight. Cloudy, windy, raining, and I sleep with the window wide open and my Calvin Klein underwear. And that's shit mad cold. So cold. If this, because this is going to be that opening range 15 minutes, if this 5-minute closes gray, or technically red, within this next minute, then like I'll drag this a bit. Actually, I could drag it right out of this high. Alright, good. So right now, worst case scenario, we made $2 grand. Best case, we make $6 grand. I'll take that on a banking holiday, day off, making $2 grand. As a worst case. We'll see. Let me check on my boy ES. Oh. So ES basically did take these lows. Which I think that is Asia lows. How we closing? Alright, we closed good. Alright, we going. You can see here. So yeah, we took that out, and then I mean this is a little bit delayed, but no way you got it. Oh, I should have just kept all the 5 contracts. No, I'm just kidding. And now we're bringing it here. So now, worst case, we make 3,000. Best case, we make 6,000 on the day. This is the setup. This is the thumbnail. Nice little 4-to-1. Realistically, less. Come on, Bubba. Wait, now you want to sell off. Look at that. Holy. So this is not bad, bro. We did not risk that much. Hit us when we go to the gym. So look, then we go to the gym from 7 to 9. 9 o'clock, that's it. I've already made thousands and thousands of dollars. And got a nice 2-hour workout, weights, cardio, and that's it. For the next 12, 13 hours, I could do whatever I want. You know what? Let's just be smart. Put it above right here. Just above this gap. Because unless if this 5-minute just goes boom and then down, like, at that point, it's deserved. But what is this? This is, I don't even know. Bruh.
Order filled.
Ooh! Well, if you didn't take the trade, you snooze, you lose. I don't know what to tell you guys. Yeah, like I said, I think we'll take these Actually, let me go to here. I think we'll take previous day low. Previous day low. After we take previous day low, we might reverse a little bit. Probably not. But we'll see. Because we kind of got these relative equal hourly lows here and here. But yeah, I mean, we'll see. Look, it's like reverse liquidity, bro. Instead of like, oh, this takes out these. This did not take out these. Oh, new strat? New strat, chat? No, I'm just kidding. I'm not even live. That's crazy. Yeah, good shit. It's not even, it didn't even take 10 minutes. It was like a 10-15 minute trade. Peace.